Hi, I'm Kelly from Bok Bok Bouquet, and today I'm going to show you how to tie the perfect bow on a present. I'm going to show you two styles of bows. One with a loose ribbon, and it's going to be like a box of chocolate style bow, and then the second one will be with wired ribbon. First, you're going to need your wrapped present, and then your ribbon. So unravel some of it, because we're going to have to wrap it around the box. Leave an end just enough so you could tie something. And we're going to go under the box. Put it centered how you would like it to be. And maybe just bend it right here and twist. Take this side. Go down the opposite side of the box, bring it here, and then just approximately cut this about the same length as this piece. Go under, and now you have it ready for when you put your bow here, you can tie your bow down. So now we're going to make our bow. So we'll just set this to the side. So what you do is you leave one end piece, and then you're gonna judge the size of your bow based off of your present. So you can make these loops as big as you want depending how big you want your bow to be. So my present, I say that's about a good size. So we're gonna do like a circle 8. So right now we got 2 loops on each side. To make it a little easier, you can pinch these. Pinch so the pretty side of the ribbon is visible. I'm going to go around another time. Pinch. See, now you got 2. You can do as many as you like. The fuller, the more beautiful though. So we got 3. I'm going to make it extra fancy, and we're going to go around 4 times. So now that you got 4 loops on each side, an end piece, cut this approximately the same size, and here you have your bow. So take your present again, set it down in the middle, and you can use the 2 leftover pieces from tying around your present and just tie that bow down. And you can be a little rough with it. Tie it tight, and now you have these 2 extra loose pieces, and I usually just cut them short off because those ones got kind of mangled from tying it tight. So the next step is to unfluff your bow. I usually just grab every other piece and then move the wired ribbon around. You can mold it how you like. And the next step, with these loose end pieces, fold it in half, and you cut from the outside fold this way, like this, to make a beautiful fishtail. Do the same to the other side. Make sure not to cut yourself. And there you have it, a beautiful Christmas present. Next, I'm going to show you how to tie a bow with loose ribbon, and this will actually be one solid piece of ribbon, so you can untie it and retie it as much as you want. It's not 2 cuts of ribbon like the last one. Get your loose ribbon, unravel some of it. Woo. Leave about 6 to 8 inches. Take your ribbon, wrap it around the box, bring it to the other side, and have it under your left thumb. So now that you have wrapped it around and it's under your left thumb, hold this piece down, go up and over and wrap it around to the other side. I'm going to cut it and I'm just going to approximate like I need about that much. So cut your ribbon. Now that you're coming down the other side, you're still holding everything with your left thumb. Put it under, coming out this way, and then wrap it. And you're going to shimmy this to about approximately where you want your bow to be. You could have it in the center. I think I'm going to put this bow in the little upper corner here, so where you shimmy this is where your bow is going to be, and then just pull tight. Now that you have your two loose pieces, or your two ends, make sure that the pretty side of your ribbon is visible, and you're always going to take the upper piece to begin your bow. So make a loop, tie this around, being careful that the pretty side of the ribbon is what's showing. So tie your bow. You want to tie it slowly so you can place the ribbon where you want it to be. And there. You can cut your ends how you like them, but there you go. And then when the person receives the gift, to open it as easy as 3, 2, 1. And believe me, when you give a gift like this to somebody, they are through the roof. They are like, wow, like it feels so good to give somebody something so beautiful to go under their tree. So there you have it, 2 styles of bows for the gift giving season. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.